Well, welcome all. Times have changed since I pulled that Segway apart, so there's quite a bit going on in the world with all this virus stuff. So this now is going to be made out of just things I've got lying around due to the fact that we can't go out. So it's come quite a long way since last time. It was just a pile of parts last time. So it was a bit more involved too. So the Segway wheels normally have a spline in them, so I've had to machine out something to receive the bearing on either side, and the back, so the motor mount had to be made so that it could go onto the swing arm. So I've still got a bit of welding and tidying up to do, obviously, but so that's all worked out. And then on the other side, because there's no brakes, I've got a hub off an old scooter here. I've machined that down and bolted that to the Segway wheel, and then I have made that fit on there like such, and then this will have a bracket bolted on so that it supports the wheel a wee bit as well. So there, that's all good. So I just got some BMX handlebars there, and the battery tray I've made in there. I'm just going to raise that front suspension up a wee bit because it's a bit low at the front. I'll get it sitting level. I've ordered a speed controller. I don't know when that will come. Hopefully it comes soon so I can finish that off. And yeah, paint her up and she'll be ready. See you later, stay safe.